Very good evening to our chief guest, Mr. Ramchandra Guha, our guest of honor, Dr. Kishore Mehbubani, Chairman of the board, Mr. Adi Godrej, and rest of the ISBA board, Dean Ajit Rangnekar and Deputy Deans, members of the faculty and staff, visiting families, and of course my dear student friends. Before I begin, on behalf of the entire student community, I would like to thank everyone present here, not only for all that you have done for us this year, but all that went into bringing to life the vision of ISB, and everything that will go into sustaining and furthering it. Everything about this moment is a great honor and privilege. I am on stage with giants in their respective domains and keepers of this wonderful institution. I am representing my friends who give me reasons to be humble every moment. I am celebrating the successful completion of a year that has truly transformed me. And tomorrow, we will all be stepping out into a world with a head full of big ideas and the skill to bring them to fruition. What better aid to extol the virtues of this transformative journey than a personal example? If you will indulge me, I will share my story with you. Prior to ISB, I was a software engineer sitting at my desk and writing code, doing things dictated by what a distant godlike figure dictated. My free time was spent playing video games and LOLing on internet memes. With apologies to the admission team, I confess that the most complex projects that I undertook involved booking movie tickets for my friends. And now at the end of this 1 year at ISB, I can say that I have done more things that I can even remember. Studying a wide spectrum of coursework, participating in business school competitions, playing sports, organizing events, leading teams, negotiating, dancing and singing on stage, winning the coveted Pappu of the Year award, and doing 100 other things that I could never have imagined. And this is a story that most of us can relate to. Most of us have had our minds stretched and our confidence alternately deflated and boosted, with experience that years of work could not have provided. All of this would not have been possible without the enthusiastic and extremely talented bunch that is the class of 2013. So, an applause for yourselves. We have had another phenomenal year with a kind of diversity that is impossible to achieve, but very commonplace for ISB. We have national level sports people, national level computer game people, an actor, a playback singer, members of the armed forces, members of the political parties, internationally recognized dancers, and yes, even a few engineers here and there. The colorful group of class of 2013 is truly world-class, be it in winning international grants and awards to besting the best in business plan competitions. We have shown that ISB still attracts the best talent in the country and makes it ready to take on the world. Swami Vivekananda said, fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideals, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. Our year here has been packed with more activities, experiences, and characters than can be absorbed. However, all of these have surely left an indelible impression upon us, many that we already feel, and some that might emerge over the years. While management philosophies and technical skills might evolve over time, the basic principles that ISB espouses and that have been etched into all of us will never go away. The thought and action to be the best without stepping over someone else's rights, the uncompromising stance on ethics and virtues, and the vision to give back to society. In this complex and ambiguous world, these values are more important than raw intellect, but we are truly blessed to have both in ample quantity. This means that we cannot be content doing a regular job in a regular manner. Our every action ought to be bolder and faster, owing to the momentum that this responsibility gives us. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. We all realize that we are part of something bigger than any of us present here, that we are building an enduring institution that will live on way beyond our times. Although we might have our differences in opinion and approach in bringing about change, we all have the same fundamental belief that we are doing the highest order of service to our nation. Shaping and molding some of the brightest minds into sharp tools with a large heart to match is what India of the 21st century needs. A large part of our class has studied or worked outside India and brings with it the sort of global exposure that India of the 21st century needs. Living in this microcosm for a year, through osmosis of 567 kindred souls, we will go out with a vision and discipline that can create a real impact within our lifetimes. I have one more thought to share. Paramhans Yoganand said, the power of unfulfilled desires is the root of all man's slavery. In our future-oriented culture, we do everything we can to secure our future, while forgetting sometimes that the future is just out of reach. Let us temper our drive to be the best with the courage to slow down once in a while. Say no once. Be grateful for the desires that have been fulfilled and enjoy the bounty that we have all been granted. After all, every tomorrow is determined by every today. And now to quote a dear friend and to make this speech fit with the social milieu, let me finish by saying, best year ever. Thank you guys.